Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online class. Unit 12 Periodic Classification of Elements, Part 5. Children, today we will learn about metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Children, first let us know about metals. Students, in our day-to-day life, we are using so many metals. For example, gold, copper, silver, iron, etc. Let us see the properties of metals. Metals are typically hard and strong. Metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity, and they are shining in nature. Metals are malleable in nature. That means they can be hammered into sheets without breaking. Metals are ductile. That means can be drawn into thin wires. Metals are lustrous in nature. That means they are shining in nature. Example, gold, copper and silver. Metals are sonorous in nature. That means metals make a ringing sound when they are struck. Metals conduct both heat and electricity. Except mercury, most of the metals are solids at room temperature. Because we know mercury in room temperature, it will be in liquid state. Children, metals occupy larger area in the periodic table and are categorized as alkali metals. See, lithium to francium are called alkali metals. Alkaline earth metals, beryllium to radium, are called alkaline earth metals. And group 3 to 12, that elements are called transition metals. And see, that P block also having some metals. Example, aluminium, gallium, indium. So these are the examples of metals, P block metals. Children, next we move on non-metals. Sulfur, bromine, carbon, oxygen are the examples of non-metals. Non-metal is an element that does not have the properties of metal. A non-metal is an element that does not have the characters like hardness, shiny, malleable and ductile. All non-metals are arranged in P block only. P block non-metals. See, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur and halogens, inert gases. These are the non-metals. Children, next we move on metalloids. Children, what are metalloids? Elements which have the properties of both metals and non-metals are called as metalloids. For example, boron, silicon, arsenic, tellurium, germanium, antimony, polonium. These are the examples of metalloids. Okay, children, I hope you understood metals, non-metals and metalloids. Thank you, children.